Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, an affirming space for you to heal out loud. Thank you for tuning in and welcome to another flow. We're going to be doing a yoga flow for self-love and healing, focusing right here on the heart space. Now, during this flow, it's best to envision the color green. Green is associated with the heart chakra. And yeah, if you're feeling any type of tension or discomfort during this flow, just know that this is your practice. You can move however you need to and adjust yourself however you need to. So, enough talking, let's get into the flow. So, I actually like to start off sitting on the heels. You can also stay in an easy seat, making sure the hips are tucked forward, allowing the shoulders to rest above the hips, extending the crown upwards and resting your hands on the knees, taking a few deep inhales and exhales. Releasing anything that you're holding on to that no longer serves you. As you inhale, feeling the energy move from the root space to the heart space. As you exhale, let everything go that does not deserve to be in the body. Acknowledging whatever comes up for you. Knowing that this is not a part of you. Knowing it's there to experience. On your next deep inhale, sending the arms above the shoulders. And taking a few breaths here, really extending upward. Drawing the shoulders down and back, loosening the jaw. Allowing yourself to feel the energy in between the hands. Knowing that you are powerful. Inhale, extend upward. Exhale, lowering the left hand behind you. The right hand comes to the outside of the left knee as you twist, being very gentle with the spine, focusing the gaze over the left shoulder, opening up the right side of the neck. With each exhale, twisting some more. When you're ready, slowly inhale, coming back to center, doing a counter stretch to the right. Inhale, coming back to center, maybe placing the hands on the knees, rotating the shoulders out, making circles, either backwards or forward. And rotating in the other direction. Doing the same thing on the other side by drawing the hands above the shoulders, really extending the spine. Taking a couple breaths. Inhale, extend. Exhale, placing the right hand behind you. The left hand comes to the outside of the right knee as you pull and twist. Looking over the right shoulder, being soft with your spine, being soft with your heart. Finding balance with each breath, finding compassion with each breath. One deep inhale. Exhale, twist some more. And on your next inhale, slowly coming back to center. And doing a counter stretch to the left. Inhale, coming back to center. Exhale. This time, maybe rolling the neck out by creating circles with the top of the head. As you inhale, the crown draws back. As you exhale, the chin comes to the chest. Rotating in the other direction. Slowing down the breath, slowing down each movement. When you're ready, inhale, coming back into a neutral spine. Whew, maybe moving the shoulders out a bit, moving the hips. I always just love to readjust and recalibrate. Now we're going to do a seated eagle pose. And it's actually been a while since I've done this myself. So what you do, you place your hands out in front of you and interlace the arms. So I'm bringing the right arm underneath the left and then swirling around, kind of bringing the palms together so it looks like that. From here, you want to draw the elbows upward as you bring the shoulders back. Getting comfortable with this asana. Taking a few intentional breaths. On your next inhale, sending the hands back, drawing the crown back, opening up the heart space. Doing a slight back bend. Taking a couple breaths here. Exhale, coming back to a neutral spine and tucking the chin into the chest. And bringing the hands forward in front of you. Keeping the shoulders drawn back. On your next inhale, slowly coming back into a neutral position. Untying the arms. Whew. Maybe rotating out the wrists, rotating the shoulders. That's what I mean, y'all, when I say I love to move. Intentional movement. Rotating the wrists. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So bringing the arms out in front of you. The left arm intertwines underneath the right. And then just twirling. Bringing the hands together. And then drawing the elbows upwards so they're almost parallel with the shoulders. Taking a couple breaths here. Inhale, drawing the crown and the hands back. Opening up the throat space, opening up the heart space. Reminding yourself that you are love. You are capable of love. You are deserving of love. You are worthy of love. You are love. Coming back into a neutral spine. And as you exhale, tucking the chin into the chest, bringing the elbows towards the body. Keeping the shoulders drawn back. One more deep inhale. And exhale. And your next inhale, coming back into a neutral spine. Unlacing the arms. And then again, moving the arms however you need to. Moving the shoulders, maybe creating circles. Just moving, feeling. Placing the hands on the knees. On your next inhale, drawing the crown back. Chest forward. Exhale, tucking the chin into the chest, creating a C shape with the spine. And doing this a few times on your own. Allowing the body to follow the breath. One deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale, coming back into a neutral spine. Now we're going to get into a tabletop for a bit. So when we're in tabletop, you know that we're always focusing on alignment. So making sure that the shoulders on top of the wrist, hips on top of the knees, tops of the feet are planted into the earth. Tucking the hips forward a bit. And then from here, looking over the shoulder, drawing the shoulder towards the hip. Inhale, coming center. Exhale, moving to the other side. Just moving back and forth. Opening up both sides of the body. Last one. Inhale, coming back to center, doing some cat-cows, tucking the chin forward, tucking the hips forward. As you inhale, drawing the crown back, arching the back, pressing the mat away from the body and flowing between cat-cow. As you inhale, the crown draws up, and as you exhale, the chin comes into the chest. Last one. Inhale, coming back into a neutral spine. Now, this is like a mix between cat-cow and moving the shoulders towards the hip. You're going to create circles with the hips and with the shoulders, while also bringing the crown in circles. Just stretching out the whole spine. Just moving however your body wants you to move. Allowing yourself to feel, allowing yourself to flow, maybe moving in the other direction. You ready? Coming back into a neutral spine, keeping the hips placed where they're at, maybe readjusting the knees a bit. You scoot back. And you're going to walk the hands out in front of you, sending the chest towards the earth. I know we do this in almost every flow. It is just such a great shoulder opener, heart opener. Resting the third eye on the mat, lowering the chest closer towards the earth. Just breathing here. Rotating the elbows in a bit. Inhale, drawing the crown up towards the sky, looking forward. Exhale, tucking the chin into the chest, beginning to walk the hands towards the knees. We're going to stand on the knees, rolling the body up, coming into a camel by bringing the hands to the heels. And you can stay here with the chin tucked into the chest, Or you can begin to draw the crown back towards the toes, sending the hips forward, drawing the shoulders back. Breathing into the center of the body. One more deep inhale. Exhale, tucking the chin to the chest, bringing the toes together and coming into a child's pose. Walking the hands out in front of you. Resting the third eye on the mat. And then rocking the third eye from left to right. Now when you're ready, walking the hands up towards the knees. Placing the hands on the knees wherever you feel comfortable. And kind of just moving the neck around, moving out the spine, doing some seated cat-cows. Just feeling the way through your body. Now for the next 5 to 10 minutes, you can pause this video and continue flowing. I'll also suggest another video up here for you to flow to. If you're ready to bow out, coming into a nice comfortable seat. Placing one hand on the heart and the other on the solar space. Taking deep inhales and exhales. Imagining the color green. Imagining all of the love you have within you. Manifesting that love to show up around you. To show up through experiences, people, places, and creating the environment you deserve. You are deserving, and you are loved. Let's place the hands together, placing them to the center of the heart. Thank you all so much for showing up for yourself. Thank you for joining us for this beautiful flow and for doing the healing work, doing the work for self-love and overall love, finding love within and creating it throughout. Thank you for allowing me to shine my light and to guide you in this beautiful practice. And until next time, namaste.